Greetings from the Vulipulia team. A new coin called ZANO has appeared on our pool, which is very similar to the algorithm used by Ravencoin. And now I will tell you how to connect the rig through the Windows system, after which we will move on to Hive. Let's get started. On the coins page, we click on Connect. Next, we select the region or set AutoGeo. We choose the miner, in my case it is T-Rex. And we specify the wallet. I will take it from the MEX exchange. If you also want to use it, I will leave a link in the description, and by registering through it, you will receive nice bonuses. We are carefully looking for a coin, and then selecting a network. We return and insert the wallet. Be sure to specify the worker's name. Now we can download the miner from the GitHub site. We select the appropriate format specifically designed for Windows, and then proceed to unpack and extract it onto the desktop. Now you can modify the existing bat file or download a ready-made site. We transfer it to the miners folder and run it. As you can see, the mining process started instantly. Now let's move on to Hive OS. As you may have noticed, I don't have a flight sheet. Let's create one. For this, we select the ZANO coin. I have already created the wallet. To add it, you need to click Add Wallet. When selecting a pool, make sure to configure the miner. Then, proceed to choose the miner. I will also be using T-Rex. We simply fill in the fields and specify the pool stratum. Fill in the password field as I did. Click Apply Changes. Now give a name to the flight sheet. We are almost ready. We just need to launch the flight sheet for rig we need. Great. After a few minutes, our hash rate will start to increase. So, we explained how to connect to the coin, but we didn't clarify anything about overclocking. It is important to understand that everyone has different cards and varying capabilities of these cards. However, you can focus on overclocking for the Kovpov algorithm. Thank you to everyone who chooses our pool. Wishing everyone good mining.